Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back. It's been like a couple days now, maybe a week plus or so since you guys have last seen me. I'm gonna have a come on YouTube with no more excuse. However, but it's sick, brother. Nobody don't know besides our owner at this point. But your boy is partially vaccinated. Truth be told, it kind of sick me out as well. You see? I don't even did think about it at the time. I just did it. However, I hope you guys have been, watching the other vlogs in the meantime, waiting on me for like drop these bombs. Yeah. On today's agenda, we'll be setting up our vanity. And I've never assembled one of these before. But as a watch for the most part. But I have an idea. So let's see how best we can assemble a vanity to them. I don't know what type of vanity or anything like that. So just in case you buy a vanity and it's similar to this is how I'll set it up. It's probably not the fastest way, the most effective way or whatever, but it is what it is. That's something to do. So we're gonna bring out the boxes them and we're set it up out here, so cause we have an installation on Wednesday. So let's go. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Very, very handy. I don't know what I'm doing, Installation instructions will definitely help. So I'm gonna put down like the individual parts to this, so I don't want them scratch or anything like that. So each one of them I take out and put it on these styrofoam pieces, which I'll be setting up over here. So one of the most important things for me right now is not to damage this. I don't want any dings. I don't want any dams. So as you guys can see, each part have like a number assigned to it. So we have 8, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 10, 9, 7, 11, and we have 2, and maybe this is 1. Alright, this doesn't have a number. This installation instruction, we can see there are numbers to it. 2-in-1 installation and basin installation. So we're going to think about this a little bit, and then we'll see if we can do the maths. Nothing on the back. This is how we got. Alright, I'm showing you this. We'll see if we can get this done before the cumulonimbus take its course and start cry or whatever it does. So this piece I currently have in my lap is number 1, and that is number 2. So this 1 and 2, which are on the outsides of it. So it kind of close the envelope, and I'm gonna deal with them first, because with them being on the outside, I can assemble everything else on the inside. I got this, and then nobody else can assemble them the first, but I know you have to put in these screws first. You have to put in these screws first, and then you assemble everything and use, I don't know what these are called, but you have to use these, lock the screws and kind of tighten them. So in all of them holes here, where you have a couple of them going right round, and each one of the holes them will screw off. We're going to have these wide holes. Yeah. So I put to screw them in there. I screw it in a little bit with my hands at first, and then me use the screwdriver and just tighten it. You know? I have no recommendation on the amount of torque you should give this in regards to tightening the screw. Just tighten them until they kind of snug. So we finished driving the screws and also the plugs, the wooden plugs. So I'm gonna plug that one, and then we'll see if we can get on number 5 onto 3, and then we'll see if we get on number 4, work our way to number 6, and then 7, 8, or 8 then 7. Yeah, 8 then 7, and then we'll put on the doors and then the knobs. So let's get on number 5 onto 3. So this is our steel right now, guys. As we say, number 3 and 5. Then we'll put on 4, 6, 8, 7. Let's go. So guys, we are this far in the game now. We only have the doors and the knobs to put in, and also tighten up with these little things. As you can see, kind of come out seamless. You can't see like the screws or anything like that, and kind of hidden, you know. So far I wish me the time myself, but man, I'm probably gone, I don't know, 10-15 minutes deep. So with these hinges, they might kind of adjustable ones, but the most important thing I get these points on right there, like 4 of them. So from I get these on, I can always adjust the doors with this instead of this. So let's get it, I guess. I'm extremely tired and nauseous right about now. I yet for have breakfast, I start my day late. Me concerned about the amount of time I have left in the day. I have so many things planned, and then kind of cross in terms of the time. I don't know. Guess a man's gotta do what a man gotta do, but me definitely have to just make it a discipline decision of mine to start my day earlier, not to end the day faster, but if you have enough like total float, you know. But right now I'm hungry, want to take a break, but it never makes sense because a day almost done. So I'm just gonna finish this up and get going. Honestly, this will take longer than I expected. Like me expected like 10 minutes, but I know I surpassed that long time. And as I said, I vlog at the same time, so it's not take longer. So let's finish this up and see what it looks like in the end. So far I'm kind of pleased with my progress. It look clean. The vanity look nice. We now have a vanity like this. This look nicer than the one that we have. I'm gonna show you one that we have. Them similar but it different. I'm gonna show you too. So alright, let's go. So what I'm going to do now is install all of these. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. So firstly I'm gonna just push them down secured. No, it's not secured as yet, but I just fit. Yo, I can't lose anything at this point. So let's fit in all of them, every single one. Fit, because afterwards we're gonna like tighten it. Hold on. Fit. Fit. After they are all fitted, you just kinda tighten it. Tighten it. See positive side. You have a positive and a negative. This is really this is clockwise. Kind of firm it up, and we have a couple more to do, and then we can continue installing the doors. I'm tired. Finally reach somewhere. So guys, we install the doors, and let me see if they can close, but I'm not adjust the hinges as yet. As you can see, whoopty whoopty, see space uneven, so I'm gonna adjust those hinges. I'm gonna close it and then adjust it to how I want it, and then we should be done. Oh, I have this piece to secure, and then that will be our final part to assemble. Otherwise than that, I'm still a starved, still hungry, and I still have to go in next side. For those who stick around and made it far to this part of the vlog, I appreciate you guys. You guys to check if you guys are subscribed. If you guys aren't, please do like the video if you guys enjoyed the vlog. As I said, we assembled the vanity to install it at a later date. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Team Ismash. I'll see you. I'm gonna drop a vlog every single day for the next 4 days because I did out. So hope you guys are ready. I am out.